Join me on the journey of cottage cheese.
The ingredients needed for making cottage cheese is milk and lemon. Squeeze the lemon. I used 1 liter of full cream milk with 2 lemons. Pour the milk into a pot and turn on the heat on low temperature. Until the milk is bubbled, turn off the heat. Then, pour the lemon while constantly stirring it. Filter the milk using muslin cloth to separate the curd and whey. Squeeze it to release the remaining liquid. Ta-da! It's done!
If we want to know what happens in cheese making, we need to know what's inside the milk. Milk consists mostly water, which is 80%, fat, carbohydrate, which is lactose, minerals, and most importantly in cheese making is protein, which is casein and whey. We also need to know what's inside the lemon. Lemon have flavonoids and also citric acid, essential oil, ascorbic acid, and also minerals, which is vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin B6. The citric acid and the ascorbic acid contributes to the acidic properties of the lemon. Did you know in milk, casein naturally floats around the milk without bonding to anything, and it is called as micelles. And it is covered with negatively charged layer of K-casein, which makes them repel with each other, keeping the casein evenly. What actually happened in cheese processing? In cheese making, we need to prepare the milk by heating it until 62 degrees Celsius, which then initiate the denaturation of the protein. The whey protein is denatured and it also promotes complex interaction among the denatured whey protein, casein micelles, minerals, and also fat globules, which makes them sticky. Adding lemon will change the pH of milk from 6.5 to between 4.6 to 5.7 pH. And it will lead to coagulation, where the proteins coagulate in water. They trap the water in the network and then change the liquid into semi-solid gel. Then it will separate between the whey and casein, which remove the water from the curd. The liquid part is the whey that contains most of sugar and water, and the solid part is casein. Let us see what happens in the coagulation process. It starts when the lemon is added. The acid from the lemon initiates the curdle process that separates liquid and solid parts, which then leads to ion reaction when isoelectric point is reached. Negative charge on casein group is neutralized as the negative charge is removed, and the acid will dissolve calcium from the casein cells. Then it will lead to clumping. The casein start to clump together in a weak network from a brittle curd that are deficient in calcium. Then the separation occurs where the large clumps are formed. The separation is between water and the solid form. It is seen clearly. The denatured whey protein is incorporated into the curd cheese, resulting in a higher yield from the milk. the interaction of whey protein with the casein in the cell interfere coagulation process, resulting in a long coagulation time and weak curd structure. These are the things that we must know when making cheese. First, the milk must be heated until 62 degrees Celsius. If it is not heated, it will create a slimy and small curd, which leads to very watery cheese. And second, the milk must reach a pH of 4.6 because the coagulation will not initiate when the pH is higher than that. And lastly, we need to constantly stir the milk to prevent it from scorching and overboiling.
Thank you for watching. Hope you have learned something from this video. Bye!